Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. During the recent Nagorno Karabakh conflict, it was very evident that Turkey helped Azerbaijan in winning the war by providing fighters and drone support. Turkey is again one more country which belongs to Islamic group which is creating all sorts of problems in most parts of the world. We know that tensions arose during August 2020 when Turkey sent their research vessel Oruk Reis to map out possible oil and gas drilling prospects in waters which was claimed by Greece and Cyprus. The NATO members Turkey and Greece have overlapping claims to continental shelves and rights to potential energy sources in the East Mediterranean. There is already a video about this issue, and you can find the video link for the same in the details section of this video or in the upper top right corner I button. The good news is that Turkey's seismic research vessel, which is Oruk Reis, has returned to waters near the southern province of Antalya. Even though Turkey is maintaining silence as of now, Greece has been very cautious and preparing itself to face any type of threats in future. We also saw news when Greece announced on September 12, 2020 about their intention to acquire 18 Rafale fighters to boost their air power. Not just that, they are also looking for modernization of 10 Mirage 2000 to 2000-5 standard so that they can be well prepared to face Turkey in future. It's not just with Greece where Turkey has caused issues. Even during the Azerbaijan and Armenia war for the Nagorno-Karabakh region, we saw that Turkey openly supported Azerbaijan since it is an Islamic majority country. Looks like Turkey and Pakistan are in full-fledged mode to spread and increase the Islamic power across the world. There were news across social media and news sites that even Pakistan provided their help to Azerbaijan along with Turkey during the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict war. According to sources, we came to know that Turkey sent around 4,000 fighters from Turkey's controlled northern Syria to Azerbaijan and that they were involved in hostilities in Nagorno-Karabakh. As Pakistan is unable to do anything with the Kashmir issue after trying all possible tricks, it looks like it has now gone to Turkey to seek their help. And looks like even Turkey is ready to help Pakistan with the Kashmir issue. Not sure if Turkey would start preparing their fighters from Syria just like what they did during the recent war and send them to Kashmir for Pakistan to fight against India. According to information received from different sources, Abu Hemsa, who is the head of the brigade of Suleiman Shah gang that joined the Syrian National Army, told its member in Afrin that the Turkish state wishes to strengthen Kashmir. I'm not sure why Turkey thinks of itself as a superpower when there are countries which are more powerful than them. Even if Pakistan and Turkey and China joins hand, India has full capability to handle them in all possible ways. Already Pakistan and China are scared seeing the recent missile tests which happened in India, and now it looks like they want Turkey to come and help. The one mistake which India did is to provide the contract for building 5 fleet support ships to Turkey. Yes, I'm sure this news would have been known to everyone that the Hindustan Shipyard Limited is going ahead with Turkish shipyard partner after signing a contract with them for technical collaboration for enabling the shipyard to build 5 fleet support ships. India shouldn't have given the contract to a country which is supporting Pakistan so much, and they should have gone for the other 2 vendors from Germany and Russia in the contenders list. The United States, Russia, France and India should be close to each other and they can tackle these forces of Pakistan, China and Turkey much easily. So let us hope this Kashmir issue gets solved at the earliest and let India show who they are even to Turkey. Please feel free to leave your comments about Pakistan seeking help from Turkey for the Kashmir issue in the comment section of this particular video. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.